Last year the number of trout in a fish farm increased from 35,000 to 45,000. Find the percentage increase. Well, first of all, what was the increase, right? Here's our wee trout. Anyway, the increase is gonna be 45,000. Take away 35,000. So there was 10,000 of an increase. And find the percentage increase. Well, we put the increase, we stick that over the original value, which is 35,000, because we're expressing it as a percentage of the original value. So we put over that like that, and we multiply by 100 over 1. That's about it. So we can get out the calculator. Now, yeah, we could just put in the 10,000. We could cancel stuff as well. 10,000 over 35,000 multiplied by, delete there, multiplied by 100 over 1, which is the same as just 100. And we get, little dot means repeating, so press SD, 28.57%. So that's how much of an increase there was.